Borabor Kapatisi TV.
It's Friday, let's go Cody.
Kabul, Kamashin Kabalas Nakarpang Kabakhamskem, Kamstet, Kamklan, Batmaduna Bam Umpia.
Wemeli jangka West Shillong ke J20 Borabor Lyngdoh. Hakakat Saudri Unai Wing arajar posan. Ulalit banyelek kemen bat ki hybrid belari bat sumar hari lang Children's Home kebadan haka shnong nong Shiliang nong thamai Shillong kumshibinta ke jing rakhi ika Children's Day. Haka diga skiing Borabor ublalong kumukong san ulo ru yo ki banyelek kemen bat ki hybrid ki belari bat sumar haka niga yeng ringkat ke jing sakhilang jung Reverend Father Paul Thirnyang bat ki nong sumar ki hybrid haka niga yeng.
Today, as you come to be with us this evening or this afternoon, your support for youth development, child protection, creative arts and community-based tourism has inspired many and continues to bring positive change. Your presence here today is profound encouragement to our children. Yes or not? Friends? Yes or not? Yes. Okay, thank you. You remind them with values, hard work and a heart of others, they too may become builders of a brighter future. You know, we have varieties of children here. We have from Khasi community, from the Bihari community, from Nepali community, from Garo community, and I think that's all. And we live here as a family, and so we are very happy that today, as you have been part of the social welfare for many years, and now also you are still here. So we are very happy to have you. And to our beloved children, this day belongs to you. You bring joy, energy, and color into our home, into our community. May you grow with confidence, compassion, and courage. May your dreams stay alive, and may you always be guided by goodness. Joy-filled greetings to everyone. So today, as we come together to celebrate this Children's Day, our hearts are filled with gratitude and happiness. This day reminds us that every child is a precious gift, full of hope, dreams, and future waiting to unfold. It is truly a joy to welcome all of you to this celebration and the creativity and the beautiful spirits of childhood. At the very outset, it is with my deep honor and privilege to welcome our chief guest, Paul Lyngdoh. Thank you for blessing this occasion with your presence. We feel truly encouraged and honored to have you with us today.
With a lot of pleasure, I accepted to be in your midst today to share the joy of Children's Day and to remind ourselves that even in the Bible, we are taught that you lead a child in the right way since his early days, and he will not turn away from that path when he turns old. I'm happy that you call this institution a home. A home is much more than a house. A house is a building with furniture, with people, a family, or more than one family sharing that same space. But a home has something more. It has warmth, it has acceptability. And here, all of you belong to different families. You came here, most of you, I was told, are from single parent families. But you are fortunate that you have Father here leading the way by embracing all of you and making you feel at home. Do you feel at home here? A lot of children these days belong to houses, but they do not have a home. They live in the same space, but even with both parents sharing that space, very few families even spend time together. I know of a family that is so wealthy that each of the 5 children have their own TV sets in their own rooms. There is no way for them to even meet up and gather as a family. And that is one major concern that we see in society today. And yet, I must remind you of 2 eminent names in history, mothers who actually, that definition would not suit a traditional name that we ascribe to a mother. There's Mother Mary, who conceived Christ through the supernatural power of God, but whose blessings we seek day in and day out. There's Mother Teresa, who never had a husband or a family, and yet became one of the best mothers on earth. And I'd like to quote these lines from Mother Teresa because I'd like you to internalize these thoughts. These words were placed in a plaque at her house, the Mission of Charity in Calcutta. The words say, "People are often unreasonable and self-centered. Forgive them anyway. If you are kind, people may accuse you of ulterior motives. Be kind anyway. If you are successful, you will win false friends and true enemies. Succeed anyway. If you are honest, people may cheat you. Be honest anyway. What you spend years building, someone could destroy overnight. Build anyway. If you find serenity and happiness, they may be jealous. Be happy anyway. The good you do today, people will often forget tomorrow. Do good anyway. Give the world the best you have, and it may never be enough. Give your best anyway. I'd like you to internalize these thoughts because These are the kind of quotations that have given me strength throughout life, and I'm sure they'll give you strength, make you more resilient, and make you realize that you are in a home that is better than a lot of houses and families.
We are singing out to you. For us a good reason to do. We're one of us all. We're on you. We're one of us all. We are you. We are glad that you are here. Strength and weakness to share. We will sing and pray for you. Such a moment is so rare. For and here we are standing. Lord, we welcome songs. We are singing now to you. For us a good reason to do. We're one welcome song. Welcome you. We're one welcome song. We are there.